Having plants in the bedroom offers numerous benefits that contribute to improved physical and mental well-being, leading to better sleep quality. Benefits of plants in bedroom. Having plants in the bedroom offers numerous benefits that contribute to improved physical and mental well-being, leading to better sleep quality. Improved air quality. Plants naturally filter the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during photosynthesis. Certain plants, like the snake plant and aloe vera, uniquely continue to release oxygen at night, which helps maintain optimal oxygen levels while you sleep. Removal of harmful toxins. Based on a well-known NASA study, some houseplants can effectively remove common indoor air pollutants and volatile organic compounds VOC such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, which are found in household items like furniture, carpets, and cleaning products. Natural humidity regulation. Plants release moisture vapor through a process called transpiration, which helps maintain comfortable humidity levels in the bedroom. This can help prevent issues like dry skin, irritated throats, and sinus congestion. Enhance mood and well-being. Adding a touch of greenery to your room can boost your mood, increase feelings of positivity, and provide a sense of purpose through caretaking. The aesthetic appeal of plants can transform the bedroom into a tranquil sanctuary, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Acoustic improvement. Plants can help absorb and diffract sound waves, contributing to reduced noise pollution and a quieter environment conducive to sleep. Plants for the bedroom. Snake plant releases oxygen and removes toxins at night. Aloe vera also releases oxygen at night and is easy to care for. Lavender. Its soothing scent is known to reduce stress and anxiety, helping you fall asleep faster. Jasmine. The sweet scent has a natural, mild sedative effect that can improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety. Peace lily helps filter airborne toxins and can absorb mold spores while increasing humidity. English ivy, known for its ability to clear the air of mold and other allergens, making it great for people with breathing issues. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.